Welcome to Learn English Daily.
Questions and replies.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
Did you eat?
Yes, I have my lunch.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shop.
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
Are you busy?
Not really. I'm free now.
How was your day?
It was good.
Can you help me?
Sure. Tell me what you need.
What are you watching?
I'm watching TV.
Shall we go for a walk?
Yes, let's go. Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. What are you reading?
I'm reading a storybook.
Can I call you now?
Yes, you can call me.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I'm free after 6 p.m.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like listening to music.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
What is your plan for tomorrow?
I'm going to visit my friend.
Can we talk later?
Sure, no problem.